Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will see how to use Boolean data type in C language. Boolean is the data type used to store true or false value. It is only available in the latest version of C compilers. It is introduced in the C standard C99. You need a header file stdbool.h to use this keyword. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, I am creating a C program named bool.c. Next, I am declaring a header file stdio.h to use printf. As I said, to use the Boolean keyword, I am including the header file stdbool.h. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, I am declaring a Boolean variable is valid and I am assigning a value true. Next, I am creating a if statement and in the condition part, I am just adding is valid. And within the if body, I am adding a printf to display value is valid. Next, I am adding a else part to the if. And within the else body, I am adding a printf to display value is invalid. Finally, I am adding the return 0 at the end of the main function. Now, let's save the program and to compile it in the VS Code terminal window, type gcc space bool.c and then press enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, type /a.exe and then press enter. From the output, we can see value is valid is displayed because the Boolean value is true. Now let me change the value of Boolean to false. Let's recompile and rerun the program. Now you can see the value is invalid is displayed because the Boolean value is false. So else part got displayed. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel.